Camfil air cleaners are used across the world to improve indoor air quality. The City M is fitted with a hybrid filter that is effective at removing both particles and odours. The CC Conceal 400 is suitable if you have a false ceiling, when you have a reduced available space on the floor, and if you want to maximise the clean airflow directly on the patient. It is fitted with particle and active carbon filters that are effective at removing both particles and odours, and is easy to install using easy-to-adapt ducts and diffusers. You can use one or the other, or a combination of both the City M and the CC Conceal 400. Both solutions reduce air contamination, risk of airborne infection, and have low energy consumption. The health and well-being of both staff and patients can benefit from a better indoor air quality.